It's a special day and I am super excited. We're gonna get the power hammer operate. You laughing at me? We're gonna get the power hammer running. I found some brackets out in the woods. I had to drill another hole in them, literally out in the woods. I'm gonna cut this off here. I need to cut this here, and you can see I welded these guys on. Those are my hinges. I had two. I used two. Probably only needed one of those. Pretty beefy. I'm gonna cut this stock of steel, and we're gonna lay that across here, out to here, and then that's what we'll weld in. Any of that make sense? Let's take a look. Right here, this arm just popped out. I showed you guys this tool the other day. We cannot get this to go back in. I showed you guys this tool the other day. I'm telling you, you gotta build one. Let's go. Chin? Almost. Let me go lower, just a touch. Ready? Is that it? You can give her a little tap if you have to on the end of the hammer. Go ahead. That coupled with a little love tap seems to work. Alright, come off. Beautiful, thank you. What a great tool. Isaac, you want to plug her back in? Hold on, let's make sure our wires aren't touching. Okay, go ahead. Give me a little more weight on her, Isaac. We tripped. I got a small cord running to her. We tripped the breaker. Pow, 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 ladies and gentlemen. Oh, that's so awesome. Let's see if we can get a little more out of her. Put a little weight on her. We got a 20 amp breaker that keeps throwing, but it's fine. It works. Let's do it one more time. Go flip the breaker back on. I'm so excited. Oh, yes. Look at my face. Can you guys see this? This is awesome. I mean, she's going to work. She's going to need some work. We're probably going to use her for one project and one project only, and then I'm going to, I guess I'm going to learn how to machine. Well, it's incredible. This guy struck twice and it's so warm. It's really neat. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you next round.